The significance of start of autumn and seasonal health maintenance. Start of autumn is the 13th solar term in the traditional Chinese lunisolar calendar, marking the beginning of the autumn season. It usually occurs around August 7th or 8th each year, when the sun reaches 135 degrees longitude. This solar term signifies the end of the hot summer and the onset of cooler autumn weather. It holds great significance in agriculture, symbolizing the approaching harvest season. The significance of start of autumn. 1. Climate change. Start of autumn indicates a gradual drop in temperature, with increased temperature differences between day and night, heralding the arrival of cooler autumn weather. 2. Agricultural activities. This period marks the transition of crops into their ripening stage, prompting farmers to prepare for the autumn harvest and engage in field management to ensure a bountiful yield. 3. Natural phenomena. As autumn begins, the weather becomes drier, rainfall decreases, plants start to yellow, and animals begin to store food for the winter. Seasonal health maintenance during start of autumn. 1. Dietary adjustments. Clear heat and moisten dryness. With residual summer heat still present, the diet should focus on clearing heat and moistening dryness. Consuming cooling foods like pears, lilies, and white fungus can help clear heat and generate bodily fluids. Nutritional supplementation. As the weather cools, it is advisable to increase the intake of nutrient-rich foods, such as duck, fish, lean meat, and soap products, to replenish energy and nutrients. Avoid cold foods. Although the temperature is dropping, excessive consumption of cold foods should be avoided to prevent harm to the spleen and stomach. 2. Moderate exercise. Gentle exercise. Autumn exercise should focus on gentle activities, such as walking, yoga, and tai chi, which help relax the muscles and enhance physical fitness. Keep warm after exercise. It's important to change out of sweat-dampened clothing promptly to avoid catching a cold. 3. Daily routine. Early to bed and early to rise. Following the principle of early to bed and early to rise, waking with the rooster helps nurture yang energy. Dress appropriately. With the drop in temperatures, especially in the morning and evening, adding layers of clothing is essential, with particular attention to keeping the abdomen and feet warm. 4. Mental health. Maintain a happy mood. The dry autumn climate can lead to emotional fluctuations. It's important to maintain a happy mood, participate in outdoor activities, and relax. Avoid overwork. Balancing work and life to avoid overexertion can prevent the depletion of vital energy. 5. Preventing autumn dryness. Drink plenty of water. To counteract dryness, staying hydrated is crucial. Skin protection. Using moisturizers can help maintain skin hydration. The transition from summer to autumn brings significant climatic changes, making the body susceptible to certain illnesses. Common autumn ailments include 1. Influenza symptoms, fever, cough, sore throat, muscle aches, headache, fatigue, etc. Prevention. Good personal hygiene such as frequent hand washing, avoiding close contact with sick individuals, maintaining indoor air circulation, and strengthening the immune system through exercise. 2. Common cold symptoms: runny nose, sneezing, cough, sore throat, mild fever, etc. Prevention. Keeping warm, maintaining good personal hygiene, staying hydrated, and consuming vitamin C-rich foods, such as fruits and vegetables. 3. Allergic rhinitis symptoms: nasal congestion, runny nose, sneezing, itchy nose, etc. Prevention. Avoiding allergens like dust mites and pollen, using air purifiers, keeping indoor spaces clean, and wearing masks when necessary. 4. Bronchitis symptoms: cough, excessive phlegm, chest tightness, difficulty breathing, etc. Prevention. Avoiding smoking and secondhand smoke, maintaining fresh indoor air, staying hydrated, and engaging in physical exercise to strengthen immunity. 5. Asthma symptoms: shortness of breath, wheezing, cough, chest tightness, etc. Prevention. Avoiding allergens, improve fitness, and maintaining a positive mindset to prevent emotional stress. 6. Gastrointestinal diseases symptoms: abdominal pain, diarrhea, nausea, vomiting, etc. Prevention. Ensuring food hygiene, avoiding contaminated or spoiled food, maintaining good eating habits, and avoiding overeating. Consuming easily digestible foods and avoiding spicy, greasy foods are also recommended. By following these preventive measures, one can reduce the occurrence of common autumn illnesses and maintain good health. Embracing seasonal health practice adapting to the natural rhythms of the start of autumn. Adjusting one's lifestyle and dietary habits can help maintain good health and prepare for the autumn and interseasons. The traditional wisdom of autumn health maintenance encourages a positive attitude towards external pressures and challenges, reducing anxiety and stress. A positive mindset promotes good blood circulation, and a healthy mental state is the foundation for physical well-being. Taking care of the body early and preventing common autumn ailments are essential for enjoying a healthy life. May everyone maintain good health during autumn and embrace the beauty of natural living. In this fast-paced life, we often unconsciously endure the physical and mental stress brought by the impure environment, posing a serious threat to our health. When we fall ill, we usually seek medical help first, followed by medication. However, Western medicine typically contains various active ingredients that have different effects on the body, such as symptom control, bacterial or viral eradication, etc. Nonetheless, improper or excessive use of Western medicine can lead to negative effects. Many patients suffer from multiple illnesses simultaneously, and certain drugs may interact with others, resulting in enhanced or weakened effects, or even unpredictable outcomes. We are all familiar with the ancient Chinese wisdom that prevention is better than cure. The ancients understood that by following a diet and lifestyle suitable for one's constitution, many diseases could be prevented, and the body could remain healthy. Understanding the philosophy of mental therapy through the structure of the Chinese character medicine. Let's start with the structure of the traditional Chinese character. To understand its deeper meaning, is composed of herb and music. Herb represents herbal plants, an essential source of nutrition for human health, including grains, vegetables, fruits, etc. Music plays a crucial role, as the ancients believed that different music corresponded to different organs, having a natural therapeutic effect that relaxes and calms. Can also be understood as joy and optimism, where mental happiness promotes good blood circulation, leading to a cheerful mood, smooth energy flow, and a positive spiritual effect. The unity of spirit and matter combination of and into symbolizes the unity of spirit and matter. Can soothe the mind, while can provide nourishment. The profound Chinese culture is like a museum behind each traditional Chinese character, rich in meaning and divine culture. From the character, we can grasp the essence of health. True health comes from our own body, mind, and spirit. A joyful spirit leads to a healthy body. Pursuing mental and spiritual cultivation. The ancients believed that medicinal supplements are not as good as dietary supplements, and dietary supplements are not as good as spiritual supplements, emphasizing the importance of diet for health preservation. The nutrients in food can effectively nourish the body. The ancients placed more emphasis on mental and spiritual cultivation, maintaining inner peace and balance through methods such as meditation, quiet sitting, and nurturing the spirit, achieving deeper health benefits. Heaven has bestowed upon humanity the natural treasures of the ocean and land to help prevent potential diseases. You can check the playlist column on this channel, or click the link in the text area below to learn more. In this fast-paced era, the psychological pressure from work and life often harms the body and mind. By integrating the health wisdom of the ancients into modern life, we can face external pressures and challenges with the best mindset, reducing anxiety and worries. An optimistic attitude helps good blood and energy circulation, and a healthy mental state is the cornerstone of a healthy body. On the Healthy Natural Beauty channel, we explore the natural and health concepts together, uncovering ancient memories and returning to the traditional Chinese health culture. Through the miraculous dietary therapy of herbs, we can prevent various diseases. Learn from the ancient sages' view of true health, which is the health of body, mind, and spirit. They followed the law of harmony between the universe and humanity, integrating body, mind, and spirit to achieve the balance of yin and yang in the body. By integrating the health philosophy of Chinese culture into modern life, we can truly live out healthy natural beauty.